This is my beautiful pop-up Christmas tree card. I need to embellish the outside, but for right now, it's just the proof of concept I was doing with a little finishing on the inside. This gorgeous design is by Peter Dahmen, Papier design, a German paper engineer. He supplied a PDF, which I converted in Inkscape to an SVG and cut on my Cricut. I used thicker foil for the star than he recommended, and I probably should have used something thinner. The paper decorations here are also cardstock with foil highlights, so it's a little more rigid than what he suggested, but I think that works fine. But isn't that beautiful? So that's one of my favorites. Thank you very much for providing that and the tutorial on how to make it.